steel bricks with an all-terrain penny board, which is really bendy.
Look at the flex, dude. How is it not broken?
I don't know.
Between me and you, here, hop on. Here, can you film it? Don't want to break it before we actually start the video.
I know.
So, we're gonna be just mucking around with this thing, and the way we got this idea is Lance here, he was just riding around over there, and he drove off that, and he just kept rolling. So he did it again, except faster, and he just kept rolling. So that's what we're gonna be doing today.
And another thing, this thing is great at manuals. Watch this.
Well, in the grass, yeah. All right, let's get on with it. First thing we're doing, he's just gonna roll off this curb. Oh my gosh, the wind. All right, go.
All right. Steel bricks trying to go.
Oh my gosh. It's a hair bit bigger obstacle. All right, go, dude. Oh my goodness. Here we go, he's trying it again. All right. Oh my gosh, he landed up. All right, you're good. There we go, that one was better. This is how far he's going. He's going that far on a penny board. That's not even what it's meant to do. It's just a cruiser.
Ready? Carve.
You should try a manual on the concrete. Oh, that was okay.
Bricks is trying the ledge now.
Look at
The hair bit.
Oh, sin! Oh gosh, that's harder than I thought it was.
It's trying again.
You put me as well. The quarterback for you.
Dude, that went far. That's just a penny board.
Oh, I have an idea. It is, I'm gonna try in manual after going down this, and I'm gonna see how long I can manual. Probably not gonna go well. I already hurt myself.
I'll try first.
But,
I'll see if it's even possible.
all right, here, he's gonna try it. Lance is gonna try it.
Remember the title.
You guys did? Manual. How hard was it to manual?
Oh my god, it was so hard. You hit that grass and you're like trying to pop it, but like you make a divot and it's like just not popping.
All right, I'm gonna give it a go. All right, you.
Here's Steel Bricks trying the manual on the grass.
Oh boy, here we go.
Isn't that thing hard?
It is so hard, dude.
Like, what is it like on there?
So it's weird. A dumb idea. May not, but we're gonna try and ride down this hill. It doesn't look like a hill until you get to the bottom of it, but it's decently steep. But Lance is gonna give it a go first. All right, you got it, dude. All right, give it another try.
Yeah. Here we go.
All right, you got this.
Dude, why isn't it working?
Oh, you gotta put it at where the divot thing is.
Oh yeah. Forgot all about that part.
Oh my goodness, dude. That was quick.
I'm kind of scared.
180.
Isn't that sketchy?
It's so sketchy. 180.
That was more like a 150.
It was. All right. You got this.
I'll move this.
Yeah. Nice. First try. And the bang. So this is it. We're wrapping it up for the day. And let us know if you like the vloggy type videos and if you want to know more about this board and us to do more stuff with it. This is actually my first board. There's tons of stuff we can do with it and tons of stuff we can't. Like, I want to know if we can go down that. I don't know. We can't go down that. We tried it, but it just failed miserably. So just let us know what you want us to do with it. So, bye. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below if you like content like this.